Life is one thing that we not really understand. As long as you are in this world, you came to life to suffer. Some people they think that suffering now, enjoy later is not the best. They rather enjoy now and suffer later. How can we differentiate suffering later, enjoy now? Because when we are eager to have money, we do some unusual thing, unclean something. Simply means you are signing yourself that let me enjoy the life now and suffer it later. But when you do legit business, you suffer to do the business, you suffer to do that thing to get, and tomorrow you enjoy. That enjoyment lasts forever. Is the fact about life that you don't know.